Hello there guys, today we're going to do another quick win video. It's a money counter animation and it's quite a popular thing in most of these YouTube style documentary videos. It's essentially a number rise into a point to illustrate, say, an increase in money, an increase in population, just some kind of value that will be useful to illustrate a point in your video. So let's dive straight in. New composition, and then we're going to call this one money counter. Great. We'll make it HD 1920 by 1080. Fantastic. I'll make it 10 seconds. I think that's probably more appropriate. 10 seconds. And Control T, and we're just going to write 20,000. Because that's what we're going to aim for. We're going to aim for a number to start at 0, raise to 20,000 and £20,000, and that'll be the end of it essentially. So £20,000. So we're going to align all that, make it a touch bigger. Align. And there we go. We've got ourselves the number 20,000, but as you can see, it's not doing anything at the minute. So what we are going to do is we're going to make a right click, new adjustment layer, add a slider control onto the adjustment layer. Go to this drop down menu on text, on drop down, see source text. We're just going to alt click that, pick whip over here to slider. Fantastic. And it is 0 now. If we do that, 567. 1,771, 3,078. That is perfect. That's exactly what we want. We can do more of it though. So essentially, we're going to do a bit of algebra, which is assign complex values or functions as just letters. So what we're going to do is we're going to go for number equals this comp. So that just means we are assigning the word number to this control that we've set up. So nothing should change and the slider should still use. But what we can do is we can put a line break in your expression and we can go number, and then we're going to write pound or dollars if you're in America, it's up to you. And we're going to put that in front of quotation marks and plus. And there we go. So I want to add some commas to the number, because obviously for big numbers you usually see commas, which makes it a bit more clear and easy to digest the number at play. So this is a bit complicated, so we are going to put in a little bit of code into our expression. It probably won't make a lot of sense, but what the best thing to do is kind of copy and paste it into your expression, as I'm going to do so. And if you want to go into the science as to why this expression is used, then feel free to do so. But just know you'll be going into a rabbit's hole. And we're just going to take this expression, which we will overlay over the video now, and then just copy and paste it to the end of the number value. And as you see, we now have commas, which is great, which is just exactly what I wanted. And as you can see it, we now have a timer that will just go up and it'll give me any value I want. So there's 60,000 there. Let's do 790,632. And there we go. It's done it for us, and it's given us all the comments we want. So hopefully that is useful to you guys, and I'm sure you'll be able to find a lot of places where that will be handy in your own projects.